All right, now that we've downloaded the Keywordme plugin, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and walk you through all of the core features of this tool and how it's going to save you so much time when it comes to managing your Google Ads accounts. And not only that, but moving through accounts faster. So if you're managing multiple accounts, you need this tool. Okay, so after we download a tool, you'll see it up here if we pin it in our browser extension. And let's get right into it. Here's how you toggle it on and off. Here's where you'll match type the keywords you build. Okay, so you can build the keywords and then match type them in any fashion you want. Here is the download button. So after you build a list, you're going to be able to download it, name the list, and then download. It'll save right to your computer. Up here in the menu is a couple options, right? So we have add keywords. So in this tab, you'll be able to paste keywords in. Let's say you have a keyword list from some other source, or you've built a keyword list already and you just need to match type it. You would drop your keywords in here. Let's do an example. So plumber near me, if I can spell right, plumbing company, right? So let's say I have my list here. Now you can either do it line by line or separated by comma, all in one. It doesn't really matter. You hit add keywords, and then it drops them into your main tool where from here you can match type them. So core feature number one of this tool we're going to do today is going to be how to use this tool to pull out negative keywords directly from your search terms report. So we are inside a client's campaign, and this is for a dumpster rental, and we're going to use the tool to extract negative keywords and move through this account quickly. Okay, so let's start going. We've logged in, we're looking at the search terms, and we're just going to look for anything to pull out that we don't want. So right off the bat, the word cheap, I click it, it highlights yellow, it adds it to our list. Okay, scroll down. Let's see what we got here. Rent a garbage. I don't want that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click, drag, and it highlights everything and then turns yellow and adds that whole keyword to our list. And you're going to be able to move through your accounts way faster doing it this way. So let's keep going down. 4 yard. So I don't want that. 4 yard. We already got cheap. These all look pretty good. Mini. Rubber. Wheeled. And I can actually grab that whole word too. And this account looks pretty good, most likely because it's like really optimized. So that's pretty much all I'm going to grab out of these search terms for negatives at the moment. All right, so let's say we're done here. Now we have our negative keyword list. All we're going to do is come back up to the tool. We're going to match type it and whatever you want to add the keywords as into your negative keywords. I like to add mine as phrase match. So you're going to hit copy all. We're going to go to keywords, negative keywords, blue plus. We're going to drop our keywords into the correct campaign with the match types and hit save, and you're done. And then you move on to the next account. So that is core feature number one of Keywordme. Now let's move on to core feature number two, which is plucking out winning keywords from your search terms report and adding them, match typing and adding them to the correct ad groups. Okay, so again, we're in our dumpster rental example. You see here, I've already added a few. So what you're going to do is look for keywords that are driving leads at an affordable cost per lead that are good keywords. And we're simply going to pluck them out and add them into the correct ad groups. Because as you know, the old way of doing it is you check the box and you would hit add keyword and you just have to add it in one match type. And that's kind of, a hassle to do because then you have to go back in and rematch type it. So this way is much, much faster. So we're going to pluck out one I didn't do yet, which is dumpster rental Clearwater. So click, drag, highlight. All right, adds it to our list. And we're going to match type it with phrase and exact match. You can go through and do a bunch of these at once, or you can do them one at a time. It's really up to you how you want to do it. For this example, for you guys, I'm just going to do this one. So copy all. Then we're going to go into our correct ad group here. We're going to go into keywords. We're going to add this keyword in the match types we wanted that is sending us leads that we're not currently bidding on. And just like that, you're done. So that is core feature number two. Now moving along, core feature number three is expansion of campaigns via the ad group level. So how we do that, we log into our campaign, we're at the ad group level, and we're going to expand a keyword. We're going to expand keywords in an ad group. So let's do 20 yard dumpster rental. We'll come in here, we'll hit the blue plus icon. Now Google is going to suggest some keywords for us, okay? So let me show you how we do this. These are all keywords that are great. We're gonna cherry pick. Well, I should say we're gonna cherry pick the good ones because not all of them are the best, right? Like dimensions and all that stuff. So 20-yard dumpster, dumpster price, rental near me, cubic yard dumpster, price near me, cost. I don't want dimension stuff. No, I don't want informational stuff. 20-foot dumpster rental, perfect. All right, great. Now these are great keywords that are high intent that I'm cherry picking from the suggested by Google. And I'm going to add them into my ad group very quickly. So there's a simple way to do this. We're going to copy all the keywords we just built, the list at the ad group level. You can do this ad group by ad group. We're going to open up Keywordme, menu, add keywords, paste keywords, hit the button here, add keywords. And now we have all of our keywords from there, match typed and ready to go. Phrase and exact match, copy all, paste, and there you have it. We just expanded this ad group with whatever that was, 15, 20 keywords. And that took, I don't know, guys, 30 seconds. So you can do this ad group by ad group and expand your campaigns. Core feature number 4 is very, very simple. It's expanding your keywords inside of Keyword Planner. Okay, so you can build high intent keyword lists directly inside Keyword Planner and then add those into your ad groups or at the campaign level or whatever you want to do, really. Any list you want to build, whether it's negative or positive. Now, for this example, in the dumpster campaign we're already in, we're going to build out keywords for 15-yard dumpster ad group. So I've typed that in as the main keyword. Google suggests a bunch of keywords, and here's all the search volumes and all the stats for them. We have the Keywordme tool open. Choose your match types you want, phrase and exact, and we're going to start just grabbing keywords and building our list. So we're going to click, drag, and highlight to quickly add them to our list. Just like that. Dimensions I want to skip. For sale I want to skip. Perfect. Roll off. Right, so assume you work your way down. I'm not going to do all these with you guys, but that's how you're going to do it. Then we have our keywords here. We're going to copy them, and then you can paste them directly into the 15-yard ad group. Or if you want, we can download the list and do whatever you want with it, right? Name the list, 15-yard dumpster rental keywords, download to your computer. So that's how that feature works, and this saves you so much time when it comes to expanding your Google Ads campaigns.